Students continue to protest for extension of admission seat at Difu Government College here on Monday. The day 5 of the indefinite strike has quite intense as the both gates of the college have been locked down by the students and protesters with the slogan Nirab Kumar Sharma go back and no admission, no rest. Students and many social organizations continue to stand at the protest with Difu Government College Students Union Society. Students have been protesting for the last 5 days for the cause, but till now neither the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council nor the college authority has responded to the voice raised by the students. To intensify the protest, numerous students were seen protesting at both the Gate 1 and Gate 2 of Difu Government College. To escalate the agitation, Secretary and spokesperson of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, Dr. Mongwe Rongpi, was also reportedly seen at the protest at Gate 1 of the college. Addressing the agitation, he appealed the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to solve the problem and give a permanent solution so that students are not harassed every year. Let's listen in what he had to say.
Pride of Difu. If you go outside Karbi Anglong also, if you say that we are from Difu Gov College, everybody knows, oh, you're from Difu Gov College. That is the kind of pride and joy that Difu Gov College brings and the kind of sentiment it draws. And this Difu Gov College has produced a lot of bureaucrats, has produced a lot of senior police officials, has produced a lot of top politicians also. Because the kind of education that is imparted here in Difu Gov College is of very utmost importance and very high standard, what I've seen. And it is for this very reason that now all of us have to fight for our rights. All of us have to fight for this admission for our brothers and sisters. As you might be knowing, because of this lockdown, many students who maybe had dreams of going to other places to pursue their education, but because of this lockdown, because of this COVID-19, all these dreams could not be fulfilled because of various reasons. This lockdown has severely crippled the economy, which has also made or forced many of the students to not go out. And obviously the risk of getting this COVID-19 is also there. That also we have to take into account. So it is of utmost importance that Difu Gov College now is the only option for many of us. So now, since Difu Gov College or Difu or Karbi Anglong, as we all know, the admission here, this is not a 1 year thing or 2 year thing. I've been seeing this problem or this issue for many years now. So now my appeal goes out to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and especially the EM in charge higher education, KAC, to solve this issue and give us a permanent solution so that the students are not harassed year after year.
That was Dr. Mongwe Rongpi, the Secretary of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, addressing the gathering at Difu Government College. Which the students have been demanding for extension of admission seat at the college for this session. Moving on, the Karbi Student Associations and many social organizations were also stake out a protest at Gate 2 of Difu Government College. Despite of the humid condition, Karbi Student Association leading from the front hit the street for extension of admission seat of the college. Speaking to the media, the Vice President of Karbi Student Association, Mirjeng Crow, expressed his dissatisfactions over the lack of concern to the education sector from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
So, kachisong ba yung tonte? Yung tonte lo, pubangsi. Kado beta ceparal polo, apini anani so penstame. Kado beta bangso ani so cecak lo, apa yang lason, lanzo sisteme bo cecak la. Lamen jasamet pet council la tuma chuning ri kang tuma la polo. Alang litum kopi pot kosono polo ne, kopi kisung lo ne, kopi ke boy dolo ne, pini ani anda me la bangso college aputhak ethe ta me ningje jedet ason si theklo pin ni pho pleng era phike ethe ba ke ningje nei apolo je nali tum lo chali tuma phana bange towa na thopi pon dolo ke matha dolo poson ini ke pathe son doi ma pu chong hong do tame no anda thek pon long le delo na pen jasmet pet bang ajale putame councilor so ratu education ai hena na kapang kre ke bang ke la matha un e pin ason si non nang man tang lo education nel environment non viri dog la son si nang man lo non pudam no school long anda me sar nu ave khirki ave dorja ave bench ave fan ave karan ave language no facilities ave toilet ave kupil holo dak grassroots long le found jongsi inut a student a foundation le heng no lo plong te obviously mo hala kang tu ang deng ke le anam bang ke hala bang dak kisung bang thek long lo istame hala bang ke pangkre da we si pinia ni an stame students a kisung bang ke matha nam de si council to man ning duk chepak lang lo